Hey guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorials. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add people on Snapchat Wave. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. If you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your web browser and just type for Snapchat web sorry the Snapchat web or web Snapchat. Then go to your Snapchat website and then log in with your account. After you log in, you'll be in this particular platform. Now from here, what you need to do is you'll be having these options over here. You'll be having this a person icon with a plus button. Just go over here, and then over here you can search for the person that you want to add. So let me just search like this and then press the person over here like this to the add. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. And I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.